Hello children, today I am going to explain you conversation chapter 10 a rainy day. Chapter 10 a rainy day. Student, before I start the chapter, I want to ask some question to you. Which is your favorite season, students? Think yourself, okay? Think that which is your favorite season and why do you like that season? What's the good thing? What you wear on that season and what you like to eat? Okay, like if you like winter or summer, then what you eat in the winter, what you wear in the winter, and if you like summer, then what you wear in summer, what you eat, where do you want to go for picnic, for tour, and where do you spend your day most of the time. Okay, which is your favorite season? If rainy day, then why you like the rainy day, what to wear in the rainy day. Okay, so students in this video we will study the a rainy day. Okay, let's start. Student, there's given some questions like what do you use on a rainy day? Students, what do you use on a rainy day? Then you know we use a raincoat or an umbrella on a rainy day. What we use? We use raincoat and umbrella on rainy day. What do you feel like eating on a rainy day? What do you like? What do you feel like eating on a rainy day? Means what you like to eat in rainy season or in rainy day. We feel like eating sweets and pakoras on rainy day. Everyone likes to eat pakoras and sweets on rainy day. Okay, when rain is falling, when then everyone's like to sit and take tea and pakoras. Okay, then what you like? It may be your answer vary, what the answer is given here, but your answer may be vary. We feel like eating sweets and pakoda on a rainy day. How does the sky appear on a rainy day? How does the sky appear on a rainy day? It appears cloudy. How it appears? It appears cloudy on a rainy day. Can you see a bright sun on a rainy day? No, we can't see the sun because it gets covered by clouds. On a rainy day, we can't see sun. Why? Because it's covered by cloud, students. What are puddles? What are puddles? Rainwater gets collected in pits known as puddles. Okay, due to rain, when the rainwater gets collected in a pits, then it's known as puddles, which we can see on the roads, on our street, or in our front of the houses, anywhere we can see. When the rainwater gets collected in pits known as puddles. Students, there is given few questions, only 5 questions are they given there related to rainy day. Okay, but you can think in your mind a lots of questions and you can give the answer. And as I told you, firstly you think that which is your favorite season and why you like that season. At least 10 sentences. You have to speak 10 sentences on your favorite season. But how you will speak, students, I will not hear. Please you can write in your rough copy or you can think in your mind also. Stand in front of the mirror. Okay, stand at the front of the mirror, or you can stand in front of your parents, parents or the brother or sister who are there in your house. But suppose that no one is there to listen your that things, then you can stand at front of the mirror and speak at least 10 lines on your favorite season. Okay, speak at least 10 lines on your favorite season. As I have told you, which is your favorite season, why do you like that season, what you wear, what you like to eat, where you want to go to on in that season. Okay, what you like, everything you will tell. And you can tell 10 lines or 10 sentences. 5 sentences are given here. You can tell sentences on rainy day also. Okay, why you like it, what you wear, what you like to eat, can you go outside or not. If you don't like, then you can't. Why? Because you are not able to go outside to play. Anything, okay, related to that topic. Now this chapter is over, students. There's only 5 questions are there related to rainy day. I hope you have understood, students. Thank you. but please do what I have told. Stand at the front of the mirror and at least speak 10 sentences about your favorite season. Thank you, students.